Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. We'll see how to create a circular progress indicator with this kind of animation using BLoC. Previously, we did a linear progress indicator using BLoC. And today on the top of that, we would add a new feature, the circular progress indicator. Now, to be able to do that, first, I'm gonna cut this. We don't need this now over here. And we'll also remove this center widget. And over here we'll have column widget, and then we'll do children, and inside children we'll put a padding over here, and well, we could do add insets dot all. Okay, so we'll do 20, and right after this we'll have our child. Okay, great. So this was our child over here, and we are good to go. Now let's save it, and this is what we see currently at the top. Okay, now right below this padding widget, we're going to create another widget, and we'll call it circular progress indicator. So let's go ahead and do that, circular progress indicator. Now and inside this we'll have value, so let's go ahead and work on the value. Now for the value itself, what we could do, we can just directly copy whatever we had over here from the earlier tutorial. So we're gonna put it like this, and after that let's take a look. So we're gonna restart our app, and then of course we see that it's running over here, and it's pretty slow, but it is gonna run for their 60 minutes. So the idea is, if you followed the previous tutorial, actually it gets pretty easy. So all you need to do, you need to take the timer. Now we're gonna wrap this using another widget, and we'll call it sized box. So sized box, and we're gonna give it width and height over here. So with became much bigger. Now we want to show the text, this progress bar, and an image together so that it looks like it's running around a watch like that. Now to be able to do that, first we are going to cut this, and over here we're going to return stack widget, and inside this stack widget we'll have children, and then we'll have center widget, and inside the center we'll put whatever we had early. And let's make sure restart and save, and yes, it looks fine. Right, well, right after this we'll have like this. So we'll do another center widget, and then we'll do child over here, and then we'll do sized box, and after that we'll assign width and height. So like this, and height, and then child will have image dot asset like this, and inside this we'll have stopwatch dot png. So make sure that you have a correct image assets and properties like this. Let's go ahead and restart it, and we restart it, and we see that stopwatch is here, it's running around it. And now we do see that there is a bit of alignment issues. So for this one here we could do alignment and alignment, this one, and then it takes axis X and Y. So now we'll restart our app one more time, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so it should. So now after wrapping this image inside this padding widget, it looks much better, but we want to look actually more beautiful. So over here, that's why here we do strike with, say, 25. Let's save it. Yes, now it looks better, and everywhere it's same and working together. So this was from the previous BLoC tutorial where we did this time elapsed. So check out the tutorial from the link below. It's the same exact logic, but last time we used linear progress indicator, but this time we are using circular progress indicator to get the job done. Thank you.